Want to team up with your friends in Minecraft but can't figure out how? Fear not, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play Minecraft with your friends using LAN. Let's get started. First things first, ensure everyone who wants to play is connected to the same network. This is super important. Your home Wi-Fi is a classic example. Make sure everyone can access the internet. Next up, double check that everyone is running the same version of Minecraft. If the versions don't match, you'll be locked out. You can see which version you have on your Minecraft game launcher. Now, the game itself, launch Minecraft and create a new world, or load an existing one you want to play on with your friends. Once you are inside of the world that you selected, press the escape key. From the menu, click on Open to LAN. You can adjust the game mode, and if you want to let your friends use cheats, here choose your settings and click the Start LAN World button. Once you've started the LAN World, you'll see a message in the chat. Pay close attention to this message. It will show you a port number, or a string of numbers, that your friends will need to join your world. Now, it's time for your friends to join. They need to launch their Minecraft game and go to the multiplayer section. Minecraft will scan for any local games running, and your friends should see your world listed if it doesn't appear automatically. They will need to manually input the server's address shown on the first player's screen, along with the port number. It will look something like this. And there you have it. You're now playing Minecraft with your friends over LAN. Have fun exploring, building, and surviving together.